Hi friends, I'm painting watercolor bouquet, and this bouquet is a little bit similar to the bouquet I did 2 videos ago, but this one is mostly roses with pink as the main floral color, gold, gray, and burgundy as the accent color for the flowers. Leaf colors are similar. And this one is painted on Canson XL watercolor pad, which is cold pressed textured paper that works beautifully for a variety of techniques. By the way, I am not paid by anyone or getting any free samples to make this video, so my opinion is unbiased. And I am laying down the first layer, and as you can see, it's wet on wet. The light source is also coming from upper right. It's a very soft, just a suggestive of the light source. I'm adding accent colors here and there, and the darker color leaf between the main flowers. I would say that's the second layer. And that's the final layer, mostly to add more detail on the main floral. And while I'm adding the detail on those main flowers, I bear in mind that there's a gentle light source coming from upper right. And this is just a very simple, pretty watercolor bouquet. I hope you enjoy the technique. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Happy painting!